In this video, I will show you how I can use just one watercolor brush to complete both high detail areas and big washes in my watercolor paintings. The brush that I use and that I am recommending is this Princeton Aqua Elite No. 6 Quill. This brush, as you can see here, has a very fine point. The synthetic fibers used to create the bristles of this brush hold their shape even after months and years of use. In addition to a fine point tip, this versatile brush also has a big belly that holds lots of water. The belly of the brush is this middle area of the brush, just below the ferrule. That is the widest part of the brush head. The bigger the belly, the more water and paint it can hold. This is very important when it comes to doing big watercolor washes. When painting a big wash, you want to be able to cover a large area of the paper without having to return to the palette or the water container to fill up the brush again. A brush that holds a lot of water and pigment is a big advantage. So this Princeton Aqua Elite No. 6 Quill can do it all. It can be used to paint fine details, as I'm doing here in this delicate painting of crystal bottles. It can also be used to fill big wash areas, as I'm doing here in this painting of sunflowers in a glass jar. Just FYI, I painted these two paintings during the recent Watercolor Live online conference. If you haven't attended that yet, I can highly recommend it. This painting of crystal, which features fine, small details, was completed from a demonstration by Shelley Pryor. I encourage you to look up her work and her courses, especially if you like this kind of watercolor painting style. She specializes in painting glass and crystal and shiny objects, which isn't easy to do. She's also a great teacher. The painting of sunflowers was completed from a demonstration by Sherry Blockoff, a member of the American Watercolor Society. I love her loose and expressive style. You can find her paintings and courses online also. So back to the topic of the video. This Princeton Aqua Elite No. 6 Quill brush has become my go-to brush. In fact, it is often the only brush I use to complete a watercolor painting, from beginning to end. I start with big loose washes and then move to the connected middle value shapes. Then I finish up with the fine dark details. I really can do it all with this one brush. If you're interested in purchasing this brush, I will leave a link in the video description below. I receive a very small commission from any sales, but you don't pay a penny more. This is an easy, no-cost way for you to support the creation of these free watercolor resources. I thank you in advance. I'm not sponsored by Princeton, the manufacturer of this brush. I just love the brush so much I want people to know about it. I'm so glad you have found this channel. If you haven't done so yet, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop when I put out my next video. And if you click on that like button, that will boost this video and it will reach more people, which would be awesome. Thank you very much. In addition to this YouTube channel, I also have free and premium watercolor courses and resources on my website at studio.krisdebruine.com. I encourage you to check it out. Thanks for watching, thanks for clicking the like button, and have a great day and keep on growing in watercolor.